begin. All right, so nothing too out of the ordinary here. You've got the cat. So I'm going to do some really basic events here. I'm going to throw up a flag. I'm just going to make him walk from the left to the right. So I'm going to make him go to a large negative number. That's a little bit too large. Negative 400. And I'm going to, again, ladies at the back, if you want to move to see better, feel free to do that. Repeat. And let's see here. I'm going to move. And I'm going to wait. Let's do 0.1 of a second. And let's repeat this maybe 40 times. Okay, so let's play this first just to see that works. Hi. I'll take your attendance in a moment. And let's see here. At the conclusion of this, we're going to hide our cat. Something about this, when you start using hide commands, I'll show you very shortly. Once the cat is hidden, you'll have to remember to show him again. So if you look at this, So if you look at this code, right? We've got, right, when clicked, he moves, repeat that, and hide afterwards. Now he's permanently hidden. So we'll have to add a show command here to show him again, right about there or so, okay? So as soon as we click the flag, we show the cat in case he was hidden, and then we do all of that stuff together. Okay, otherwise, you won't see anything happen if you forget to have that show command. Okay, next thing up is I'm going to add a new sprite. So you can add a new sprite pretty easily. It's just a little icon down there. Let's add an apple. Did I select the apple? Okay, so we've got an apple and the cat. Now, with the apple, I'm going to do something. When this is clicked, I'm going to hide the apple right away. And that was here. We're going to hide the apple. And we're going to use, when I receive a message, I'm going to appear or show. Okay. So now all that's left is, let's just play this first. Okay, so the cat still moves, and then he hides itself, but we're not going to see the apple just yet because it's hidden right now. Okay, and we haven't received a message number 1 to show him. Okay, so we need to broadcast that message out. So at the conclusion of this, there is an option down here to broadcast a message, message 1. Okay, so now I'm going to play this one more time. Okay, and now the apple is shown, right? So if we look at this very slowly at what happens, at first we click the green button, we show the cat, we move him to a negative x coordinate, and then we start repeating the steps, wait and move 10 steps forward, right? So the cat slowly moves and repeats that over and over again. After it's finished that 40 times, we hide the cat. After the cat is hidden, this cat sprite broadcasts a message, message number 1. Okay? And then if we go over to our other side, apple, so under the apple instructions, as soon as the flag is clicked, it hides. So it's hidden. Okay? And then when it receives message number 1, it then shows. Okay? So this is very similar to, we're sort of chaining one thing from one thing to another. Right? First we perform the cat actions, then we broadcast message 1. After message 1 is broadcasted, then we show the apple. Okay? And then, of course, you can do anything else with that. You can move the apple. Let's do something very simple like move the apple left. We could do maybe a repeat as well. So let's move him maybe to the left, negative 10 steps. And we'll have that wait every half a second. No, not half a second. 0.1 of a second. We'll just repeat that 30 times. Okay, so very similar to things that you guys are familiar with now. right? The cat is moving, it hides, it broadcasts message 1, and then the Apple stuff starts going. Does that seem kind of clear of how to get, we can manipulate different things to happen from one event to another, okay? And of course, if you had multiple sprites, you can have this code on multiple sprites as well. When you receive message number 1, you can move multiple things together, okay? And then when that's finished, you can also broadcast a different message, message 2, message 3, and so on. Okay? And that way, what we can really do is, if we go back and think a little bit about the animation that you saw, there was a lot of different things happening, right? Something happened at first, so we might call that a scene. Okay? Once that scene is finished, we do another scene. Okay? Right, I'm gonna end the video. How do I end this video? Stop sharing.